The Porsche Winter Event St. Moritz in Engadine was an exhilarating winter experience that offered a unique opportunity to test drive some of the most iconic and powerful Porsche models on snow and ice, while enjoying the stunning scenery of the Swiss Alps. The event took place from January 10th to February 6th at the exclusive resort of St. Moritz. The participants had the chance to drive the 911 Carrera 4 GTS Cabriolet, the 911 Turbo S, and the 911 Sport Classic, among other models, on specially prepared tracks and courses. They also received professional coaching from Porsche instructors, who helped them master the art of driving on slippery surfaces. The event was not only about driving, but also about enjoying the lifestyle and culture of this region. The participants stayed at the luxurious Kempinski Grand Hotel des Bains, where they were pampered with gourmet cuisine and spa treatments. They also had access to various activities and attractions in the area, such as skiing, snowshoeing, ice skating, horse-drawn carriage rides, and more. The Porsche Winter Event was a limited edition event that required prior registration and booking. The price per person was approximately $6,400, which included 2 nights of accommodation, breakfast and dinner, driving sessions, transfers, and taxes. The participants could choose from different dates and packages according to their preferences and availability. The Porsche Winter Event St. Moritz was a chance to experience the thrill of driving a Porsche in winter conditions, while discovering one of the most beautiful and exclusive destinations in the world. The Porsche 911 Sport Classic is a limited edition model that combines the best of the past and the present. It is inspired by the iconic 911 Carrera RS 2.7 from the early 1970s, but based on the modern 911 Turbo S. It is also the second of 4 collector's items that Porsche has presented from its heritage design strategy, which aims to revive the style and spirit of different eras of Porsche history. The 911 Sport Classic stands out with its distinctive design features, such as the fixed rear spoiler in the style of the legendary ducktail, the double-bubble roof, and the twin stripes painted on the bonnet, roof, and rear spoiler in light sports gray. The exclusive paint finish, Sport Gray Metallic, is a nod to the fashion gray paintwork of the early Porsche 356. The 911 Sport Classic is not only a feast for the eyes, but also for the ears and the hands. It features a specially modified sport exhaust system that delivers a thrilling sound and a 7-speed manual transmission that offers a pure driving experience. The engine is a 3.7-liter twin-turbo flat-six that generates 543 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful 911 with a manual transmission currently available. The rear-wheel drive layout adds to the agility and fun of this model. The 911 Sport Classic is also equipped with a comprehensive list of high-performance equipment such as Porsche ceramic composite brakes, Porsche dynamic chassis control, rear axle steering, and the Sport Chrono package. Porsche Active Suspension Management Sport lowers the ride height by 10 mm and enhances the handling. The car also comes with exclusive 20-inch forged alloy wheels in black. The 911 Sport Classic is a rare opportunity to own a piece of Porsche heritage that blends tradition and innovation. Only 1,250 examples of this model will be produced worldwide, and for the first time, it will be available in the US market. Customers can also order a matching chronograph watch from Porsche Design that seamlessly picks up on numerous details from the car's design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.